good, y'all? Today I am going to be showing you how to get free Uber Eats cash on your Uber Eats app. Super sick. Get ready for this video. Alright, let's jump into it. Alright guys, so like I said, I am going to be showing you how to get free cash on Uber Eats. And just to show you that this actually does work, I'm going to show you right here. I have the app downloaded on my phone already, so I'm going to just click that and open it up. And as you can see in my Uber Cash, I have $0.00, okay? We broke out here, we're struggling. But as you can see, if you just press this green button right here that says Add Cash, it's going to actually allow you to add cash to your Uber Cash as long as you press that button. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get this app so that you can add as much cash to your Uber Cash as you like. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. And the first thing that we do so that we can download this app is we're going to go to our settings to change a few things. And then after we change those things, we'll be able to download this app so that you can get your free Uber Eats cash right now. Alright, so first things first is go to our settings. Alright, and once you get to settings, there's going to be a few things we're going to change. So first we start in general. Go to general. And then you're going to want to go to your background app refresh. Okay, so once you get here, click background app refresh and make sure it's set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. As you can see, mine is on Wi-Fi, so we are good to go. So you want to go back to general and then you want to go to about. When you go to the about, you want to make sure that your software version is 14 or higher. As you can see, ours is 15.5. So just make sure yours is iOS 14 or higher and you are good to go. And then we actually only have one more setting left to change, and that setting is going to be, you're going to go all the way back out to settings and then you're going to scroll until you find battery. Okay? Once you get to battery, you're going to look at low power mode. Make sure low power mode is actually turned off. Alright? So if this little tick right here is green, that means it's on and you're gonna have to turn that off. All right, so just click it again and then it should be grayed out and it's got that little white circle, and that means you're all good to go. So now we can actually back out of our settings and close that, and now we can actually get to downloading the app. So what you want to do is click your Safari and then you're going to type in this website. All right, it's going to be weak.co, and that website is going to be pronounced WeTweak.co, as you can see right here, WeTweak.co. So you want to make sure that you navigate to that website on your phone on Safari, and once you get there, hit the go button. So now that we're here on the website, you'll see a little search bar at the top. So click on that search bar and you want to search for the same app that we just had, which is Uber Eats. So just type in Uber and then you should be able to find that right there at the very top. So once you find that, all you want to do is click that blue install button, and as you can see, it's now installing the app for you. And what I really like about this website is it does install apps pretty quickly, and as soon as it gets done, you will be able to get your free Uber Eats cash just like I showed you in the beginning. So go ahead and let that install, let that finish, let it complete. There's a blue bar right here indicates how far it's going. So like I said, it's pretty quick. Then you're going to get this little blue pop-up circle. That means it's just finishing up loading. And then you have this pop-up that says, this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? So just go ahead and hit allow right there. And then it says profile downloaded. Review the profile in settings app if you want to install it. Alright, awesome. So you just hit close. And then now we're just going to close out of Safari. Now we're just going to navigate right back to our settings. So now we're in settings. You have this new pop-up that says profile downloaded. Click on that. Hit install at the top. And then go ahead and then type in your passcode. So I'll type in my passcode really quickly. And then you hit next, install, install, and done. And now if you go back to your home screen, you have the app right there. And you are all good to go. Except for one thing, it does say missing files, alright? this right here is a super important key. This happens all the time. All right, this is completely normal. What you want to do is, it says additional files are required for Uber Eats Plus. All you do is hit that green go button, and then it walks you through a few steps. Just go through those steps really quickly, and then you can get to enjoying your Uber Eats free cash. All right, guys, so I hope this video helps. Go ahead and share this video with a friend, and I'll catch you in the next one.